Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Every year around this time, I clean all the silver and brassware items so I can use them to decorate for the festive season. Last year around this time, I shared with you 5 different ideas to clean brass, which if you haven't watched, I will link it down below for your reference. But for today, if you have any silver pieces that need restoring, you'll find this video very helpful, as I will not only show you how to clean, I will also share some very useful tips on how to store silver properly to avoid tarnishing. So let's jump right in. We are going to need an empty dish or bowl and line it with aluminum foil, the shiny side up. This is very important as the shiny part of foil attracts the tarnish on the silver. In simple terms, the aluminum foil basically consumes all the tarnish. If you want to know how and why behind this, there is an explanation in the info box below if you are curious. To that, we are going to add 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 tablespoon salt and some hot water. Soak the pieces that need cleaning and cover it with the remaining aluminum foil. I let the pieces rest in the solution for about 10 to 15 minutes. If yours are badly tarnished, then I recommend doubling the recipe and the time as well. Using a microfiber cloth, rub the pieces like the way you would clean the dishes with a scrub or sponge. And you'll see the tarnish coming right off. In a separate bowl, rinse the pieces with clean water. For the bigger pieces, you can follow the exact same process in a clean kitchen sink. I used a sink stopper so the solution doesn't drain down. Line the sink with the aluminum foil shiny side up, equal parts baking soda and salt. I use the 2:2 ratio here, and then add hot water. Let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse the silver pieces off with clean water. I noticed this method didn't clean the pieces that were badly tarnished and or have turned black. So for that, I made a paste of baking soda and water and applied on the sides that were really dark or had turned black and let it sit for a few minutes. And then using a microfiber cloth, I scrubbed it off, and I was so surprised to see the stubborn tarnish came right off. Now for the tips. The first one that I wanted to share is do not use any type of heavy duty Scotch-Brite to clean silver. It's way too abrasive for the wipe down and likely to leave deeper scratches, and it's going to dull any fine details even further. I recommend using any kind of microfiber cloth which is soft but should pull the loose remaining material. And the second one is never allow the silver pieces to air dry because water left standing can cause spotting. And the third one is do not wrap silver in newspaper. The ink is acidic and can harm or corrode your silver. Tip number 4, adding activated charcoal capsules to your drawers where you store silver can help to keep away the gases that cause tarnish. If you have silica gel handy, that works great as well. Another thing that you can easily do is use a piece of chalk wrapped in a cheesecloth alongside your silver to slow tarnishing. Chalk absorbs moisture and moisture causes tarnish. To slow tarnishing, wrap a piece of chalk in a cheesecloth or similar cloth and place it in the bag with your silver. The next tip is refrain from storing your silver in plastic bags. The reason is that the plastic bags can trap moisture within them, which actually can accelerate tarnishing and also cause pitting. You can use a specially treated cloth bag or anti-tarnish strips. The point here is to keep contact with air and humidity to a minimum. And I will leave a few links for these options in the info box just down below this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this silver cleaning and storing video helpful. If you did and want to show your support, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.